What's up, you guys? I am back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, showing y'all how I style my locks that I did. I actually did these myself, so if y'all want to see a video on how I did that, then make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, my name is Simone, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button, sis. Please hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any videos from me, okay? I just wanted to get this video out the way, and before I take these out. But yeah, this is the first style, just the middle part, down the middle. This is how long they are. Okay, so yeah, the next style is going to be a half up, half down. So I'm just gonna take half of these. And I don't know if I should leave these down or yeah, I'll leave it up. Okay. And I'll take a scrunchie. And I've had these in for like a month. Okay. And then I'm gonna use this edge control or edge booster. This is in the scent Lemon Candy. And my edge brush. Alright, so the second look is going to be a high ponytail. The next style is a little side action, like side part. Okay, don't mind my hair if it looks a little dry. Okay, and yeah, this is the side part. Little cute side part. And the next style is a half up, half down bun. The next style, I part it down the middle, and then I just take a few pieces, like maybe this top part, 4 pieces. Okay, I take these 4 pieces. Y'all see what I'm doing? I take these pieces right here, and then I just go like this, and I just tie it off in the back. And I'm gonna refix my edges. Protective styles are, because I do want to start doing my own protective styles. Like I've done just protective styles with my natural hair. For those of you who don't know, I am natural. I've been natural for some years now, a couple of years, but yeah. So this is the style. It's really simple, cute. I like to do the middle part and then the bun or a ponytail. So I move it to the side, and then I just put this in a ponytail like that. Like that. And I don't double it. Style is just a low bun or a low ponytail bun, whatever you want to call it. So I didn't double it, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, and then I'm gonna twist it a little bit. It's probably gonna be a big bun, but that's okay. I twist it, and then I tuck the little pieces in, and then I take another scrunchie. I gotta double it, and then I put it over. Damn it. So I ain't gonna double it, because I might end up popping it, and then I'm gonna be mad. And that's the little big bun. It's still cute. I fixed my edges up a little bit. Y'all see how my edges keep reverting? Like the edge control don't want to stay. I usually put water on it, but I'm not near a sink, so it's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do. And I usually use the Ebon edge control, and that works for me too. I need to get some Eco Style gel because that does work too. When I combine them together, I find that they work well together. Okay, so that is the style. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like the little styles that I came up with. These are just a few styles that I like, and if you like them, then you are more than welcome to try them yourself. And you can do these with box braids or whatever, Senegalese twists, other types of locks. If y'all like this video, like I said before, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it when you guys like my video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all know when I post my next video. And without further ado, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.